The bubbling witch's cauldron. It always makes an appearance around spooky season. And while it typically takes dry ice to bring it to life, my first guest this morning says to swap the smoke for Christmas ornaments. This is a simple and spooky DIY to display for the big night and in the days leading up. Do-it-yourself queen Emily Price joining me at the craft table to share the how-to. It's great to see you.
Thank you.
This is darling, and it fits right into my Halloween wheelhouse, which is creepy cute.
Yes, it's so cute. It's such a fun project, and it's cute.
There's rainbows involved, but there's also a cauldron. So it fits in Halloween, but it doesn't like scare us. There's no blood.
Exactly.
Yes.
It's perfect.
What supplies do we need to start this darling project, Emily?
Okay, this is perfect because you can customize it to any space. So you basically need a cauldron, whatever size you want. I just did a small one, but the bigger, whatever size you want.
Yours is pink.
Yes, I do have a pink one.
Did you buy a pink one or did you paint a pink one?
They had this one this year.
Oh, so, cheers to the 3-year-olds who get to carry a pink cauldron for trick or treat. Okay.
And then you need like a foam ball, or you could use any type of filler. This is just like a good little thing to put your base in. And then you need these holographic Christmas ornaments. And you can get these like on Amazon. You want plastic. You can get them like Hobby Lobby too, but they're usually glass. But you want plastic just to make it more kid friendly.
Yes.
So,
because there's going to be some curious fingers that are going to want to touch. Yeah.
And to store it too. It's kind of a big thing to store. So you want it like easy enough to
odd shaped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to make this, basically we're just going to pop that in there. You can glue it down if you want, but the Christmas ornaments all have little things on them. You just want to like pop this off.
Pop the top?
Yep, you don't want that. And then you're just going to start gluing, and you literally cannot mess this up. Like you just do whatever you want.
So the styrofoam is what we're adhering to.
Yes, just because you could fill it with the Christmas ornaments, but then you're just using more. So this is just a way to like kind of save a little bit of money.
Sure, the space filler becomes a dollar saver.
Yes.
I like the way you think.
So,
okay, and the glue and the styrofoam, they're gonna marry nice and tight, right? And hold it together.
And you really don't need to like, I mean, I'm putting a ton of glue on here, but you don't really have to wait that much. And you just like let it sit.
You're using the bigger bulbs it appears for the base? Or
yes,
the
I want to use the bigger ones just because you'll need.
Like you weren't impressed by the use of the word circumference during this creative conversation, but I was really proud of myself.
I'm really proud of me too.
Okay.
That was good.
Okay.
So yeah, we're just gonna like keep filling this around, and then so obviously I have more space, but then we're going to take these smaller ones,
the baby bulbs,
and you want to start building on top. And see, like, I don't know if you can see, but you don't have to like lay these straight down.
Right in.
You can like figure out what your front's going to be and turn it on the side.
So it's like when we're decorating a cake and they tell us to choose your good side. You're going to look at it from the angle that will be exposed or visible.
Yes, because you just want those bubbles to show really well. So you can start building. You can just kind of pick and choose what's going to look good.
Yeah.
And just keep building it up. And then we can come over to this one.
We could stop there, but Emily took it a step further and a step cuter because I see lights.
Yes.
This is
okay,
dark.
So I was just gonna like finish this one off. As you can see, I just layered and layered. But you can pretty much add these wherever you want. Build it high, because you want it bubbling.
Yes.
And then you can see here, I kind of just brought it down so it looks like it's toppling over. So you could do that all over.
Snaked it forward. It's spilling out of the cauldron.
Yes. Okay, and then the Christmas lights. This is my favorite part, the twinkle lights.
This is your reminder to buy some twinkle lights. Buy a big pack and just use the heck out of them from now until January.
Yes, buy the bulk pack. Use them for everything. I use these for every holiday.
Cute.
But I just like shoved them in. You can wrap it around.
I did that last season, Emily. I bought a big pack. And I was just literally sprinkling lights like confetti around my house on a hot chocolate bar. It's that warmth. It's that, is it Heige or however you say it?
Yes, however you say it.
Yeah, it's that sparkle.
Yes, you could even put it like in vases with flowers, like clear ones. You can use these for anything. It's not just holidays. But then, of course, my favorite part, I add like bows to everything. So if you want, you can tie a ribbon around it and add your cute bow.
Let's celebrate what we've seen, which is, I think, an under 30-minute craft project.
Yes, honestly, this took me 10 minutes. I'm sure it'll get, like, if you get a bigger cauldron, it'll take a little bit longer, but this was like a 10 to 15-minute project.
Because you could go big scale. I think the mini has a charm all its own, but you could go big if Grandma has a corner of her house where she really wants to have some fun. I love this project. I think it's adorable, and I really appreciate the ease and the simplicity. but the payoff is good too.
Yes, it's fun.
Emily, thank you. Where can we get more craft inspiration from you?
I'm on Instagram at mbprice, EMB or thepriceadventure.com.
EMB Price.
Yes.
We'll link you over to both her
Thank
Instagram
you.
and website from ours. Happy Halloween.
Thank
What
you.
costumes do you have flying at your house this year?
We were gonna do like a Cinderella theme, but now I'm like, I kind of want my daughter to be Taylor Swift. So, and she's young enough, she doesn't get a choice. So
Is she 3?
She's 4. So I'm like leaning into maybe a Taylor Swift, Travis Kelce situation with my children.
Stop it. They have no choice.
Yeah,
You're
have
lucky.
no choice.
I miss those days. We're already past those days because my 2-year-old is way too opinionated for her own good. But anyway, send us pictures.
Okay.
What era?
I don't know, maybe Fearless.
We want to see.
Okay.
Adorable. Thanks, Emily.